Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset Schlage Encode Keypad Lock, reset Wi-Fi access codes and app pairing. To factory reset a Schlage Encode Keypad Lock, locate the black reset button inside the battery compartment on the interior side of the door. Then press and hold this button for 7 to 10 seconds until the LED turns solid blue. This completely erases all user codes and Wi-Fi configurations. For comprehensive troubleshooting and detailed guides depending on your specific situation, the process involves either a full factory default reset, FDR, or a simple network reset. Method 1. Factory default reset FDR. Step 1. Locate the reset button. First, remove the battery cover on the inside of the door, then find the small black circular reset button located just to the right of the thumb turn. Step 2. Hold the button. Now press and hold the button. The LED will initially flash as red, then continue holding until the red flashing stops and the LED turns solid blue, and this may take up to 10 seconds. Step 3. Verify the reset. Now leave the door slightly ajar, enter one of the default user codes printed on the lock's programming label. The lock will automatically run its auto handling routine to detect the door swing. Step 4. Reprogram. Once reset, you will need to reconnect the lock to the Schlage Home app using the default programming code. Method 2. Network/Wi-Fi reset. Step 1. If you only want to change your Wi-Fi network connection or fix connectivity bugs without deleting your programmed codes and users, you do not need to do a full factory reset. Step 2. You can easily reset the network connection by managing the lock setting inside the Schlage Home app. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.